Alright, so we're here at the Arenal Volcano hiking trail. This is a private trail. It cost us about $38 US for the both of us. So not too bad. And yeah, we're gonna pass a lake and some other stuff. Um, let's go. So we have the Trail Lava Flow 1968 and the Trail Forest 1968. So I think we are gonna go on the Trail Forest. That's the one that's 2 hours long. It's gonna get dark soon, guys. So we're hoping not to get stuck out here. Yo, bun. I do have proper hiking shoes.
That?
Yeah.
No. Talking about the brown one.
What's wrong with my hiking shoes? We just got to the summit. We're now leaving the summit and heading down. It's gonna take us to a split, and it's one of two paths we can take. So, when the volcano erupts, the lava solidifies, and that's how it forms the rocks. But I'm not sure if all rocks are formed that way.
I don't think so.
Actually, I do think all rocks are formed that way.
Seriously?
Yeah, but I mean, we could definitely Google and see if that's right. You have a choice to make. Take the short part or the long part. Let's take... Which way you want to go? I mean, we're already all the way here. We might as well go the long way.
Yeah. This is just...
It's kind of steep here. So be careful. Again, real bite up now. Yeah. Man's nearly touched down there, boy. Pressure, boy. Definitely buying hiking shoes next time. Just getting late, and we still have about an hour to go. So remember the start I said that you try not to get caught here in the dark. It looks like we might end up getting caught here in the dark. Exit trail. I feel like we've been walking forever. Every time we think that we're done, it's the next turn, a long stretch. We thought we were done 30 minutes ago when we saw that sign. It's a sculpture, a volcano. It's interesting. Is that a bar or just? Yeah, I think they're selling drinks and stuff there. Guys, check this out. A nice treetop. I don't even know what to call it. What do you call something like this?
So what we heard is you should not be standing upright because then you will lose your balance.
Okay.
Always be on your foot. Don't jump and no shoes.
We'll jump on the shoes. Alright. Let's go for it.
Trying to give back the karma points.
Come where, sir?
We found a nice little relaxation spot. It's mounted to a tree and then attached to the rocks here. But it's a really nice background, and see the volcano behind us. And then we have a nice sunset behind us here too. So there's only 3 rules when you're on here: no shoes, and you can't jump on it, which is obvious. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, we're heading out. It's a nice break from that jungle hike. Thanks for watching. I plan on making a couple more videos this will probably be one video, but like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one later.